Hi, this is Andrei Sachuk, and I continue my audit of the Deutsche Post websites. And in this video, I would like to focus on product and shopping cart pages. Let's get started. I'm on one of the product pages, and this page is about stamps. And let's have a look what data has been sent to Adobe Analytics. I will focus on the products variable. And why I decided to pay attention to this variable is because I've never seen such the implementation. You can see that we are on the product page, and usually on this page you just want to send the data about the product ID, which is the second component. In this case we also have the category, but at the same time one quantity and null value for the revenue is sent from this page, and I even don't know what should be expected in the reporting, because in this case the quantity probably will be increased by 1, but the null value either will be ignored or maybe the whole processing of this value will be failed. So don't know what it is and wonder why this type of syntax has been implemented on this particular page. Now a few words about values encoding. You can see that prop21 has a value where ampersand is URL encoded, and as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, this is not a good practice because the way that the value is populated will result in absolutely the same value in the report. Instead of the ampersand, there will be ampersand AMP semicolon. So my advice would be to never encode the values, populate them as is. Now let's see how the shopping cart is working. I will add this product to the shopping cart and we'll check the events. The s.events and s.open have been fired. This is good. And we also can see that one quantity and 7 euros have been added to the products, which is good. So in this case, the implementation is working properly, and I will go to the shopping cart and see how it's working. In this case, we can see the event s.views, that stands for shopping cart view, and we also can see the same sequence of values for the s.products variable. This is our product with quantity 1, 7 euros, and another product that has been added is I think the shipping cost. And I will proceed to the next step. Okay, so on this page I have to either log in or create an account or proceed without the account. And now I want you to pay attention to this page name, which is address datum, and let's go further. And now you can see that this is actually another content for the second step of the purchasing process. But in this case, you can see that the page name is actually the same as it was on the previous page. And this is probably also not a good practice, because the analysts will not be able to distinguish this content from the previous content. Actually, the previous content wasn't about the address datum, it was about the login page or dialog window. This is it for this episode. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if you don't want to miss new video uploads to my channel. Thank you.